Hello, everyone. My name is Lori Bradner with the Florida Aviation Network, and we are here at Kennedy Space Center celebrating the Girls in Aviation Day. And I am here with Laura Spolar. Laura, thank you so much for joining us today. How are you?
I'm wonderful.
And tell me a little bit about what's going on here today. We've got some very, very, very excited girls.
We do. So, this is our 9th annual Girls in Aviation Day. It is a worldwide event that is sponsored and encouraged by the International. So, this is our 9th year. This is our 2nd year at Kennedy Space Center. And as you can see, we have a wide variety of exhibitors. We have hands-on exhibitors. We have static displays. So the girls, for us in the Space Coast, we have added the aerospace aspect because for us, not only do we have aviation, but we also have the aerospace. So we're very fortunate to have Space Florida be a partner with us and allow us to use their facility and have some of the exhibitors from the space sector here.
Now, what age are the girls? What I know you've got about 50 here. What are their ages?
So we do high school from grades 9 through 12. And because at that point in time, that's kind of when you're looking like, what do I want to do? Or what's my options? So we want the girls to see all the options or a lot of the options that are available to them.
And you know what I love is that it's not just about, I mean, everybody thinks flying. They think, oh, we're going to be a pilot, which is awesome. But what I love is with all of the static displays and all of the sponsors from Baycare to the Florida Highway Patrol, you're really showing them STEM education at its best, science, technology, engineering, and math. Now, what is your background, Laura? How did you get into aviation? I have to ask.
Many years ago, I got into aviation. I worked for Piedmont Airlines on the ramp. Fast forward 37 years. I am an aircraft maintenance technician. I'm currently a supervisor with United Airlines. So I have a crew of technicians and we do heavy maintenance.
I love it. I love it. Laura, I want to say thank you so much for having us here. And my name is Lori Bradner with the Florida Aviation Network. We're here celebrating the 9th Girls in Aviation Day, and we'll look forward to seeing you next year.